everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna, and I hope you all know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. And in today's episode we are going to see that how to add different style to a template. So for that we have chosen a template, and when you are choosing template, another option will be style. Choose that and then you will get a number of different color combination styles. The way you want to do it, you can choose each and every style, and then whichever is suitable for you and you think it is attractive, you can go ahead for that. I am using each one of the style and I'm seeing it. Sometimes you will get a combination which is unimaginable. So in your template, you need to check with each and every style, and then you can go for whichever is suitable for you. So this is how you are going to use a style in a template. This will be helpful when you are going to create a brand and you use a style, and you can keep that as your brand style, and then you can use it as and when it is necessary. So this is a wonderful option to elevate our design. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you like it.